in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Ellis County in north central Texas until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mayfield, or 9 miles south of Waxahachie, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be aimed to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dennis and Bardwell around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Around 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Garrett. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 387 and 397. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 258. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.